Unwanted facial hair on underarms, arms, and legs or bikini area, we all deal with it. But क्या regular waxing, shaving और threading का stress कभी खत्म हो सकता है? In today's video, we'll talk about unwanted hair. क्यों होता है? What are the usual methods people try? And why people are still missing on the easiest and the most effective and closest to permanent solution, that is laser hair reduction. Hello everyone, मैं हूँ Dr. Anupriya Goyal, Medical Director at Berkowitz Hair and Skin Clinic. And today we are diving into the science and solutions of unwanted hair. I want to make this extremely clear in the beginning. This is not a promotional video. It is for your awareness. So, if you're tired of the constant cycle of painful hair removal, itchy hair growth, and the urge to never have a hair on your body, make sure to watch this till the end. First thing first, hair growth is totally natural. But for whatever social, conditional reasons, we are not entirely comfortable with it. Especially in areas like upper lip, chin, chest or back. Even hormonal imbalances जैसे कि PCOS, genetics या some medications के कारण की वजह से growth और ज़्यादा prominent हो जाती है. वो level that's when we start calling it unwanted hair. Mostly women face it on their face, upper lip, chin, arms, legs या bikini area. Men भी unwanted hair on chest, back या shoulders के लिए concerns दिखाते हैं. So what are the common removal methods of hair? Most people rely on traditional methods like shaving, quick but temporary, waxing or threading, which is painful, time consuming and can cause ingrown hair, that is even strawberry skin. Hair removal creams, which I absolutely detest. Easy to use but chemical based and may irritate sensitive skin. ये क्रीम्स पिगमेंटेशन भी इंक्रीज कर सकती हैं. बोथ प्लकिंग और एपिलेटर्स दे आर प्रिसाइज बट स्लो एंड नॉट आइडियल फॉर लार्ज बॉडी एरियाज. नाउ सभी मेथड्स में एक चीज कॉमन है, बार बार हेयर रिमूवल करना पड़ता है. Some women even shave their legs daily. Skin irritation भी हो सकता है, pigmentation और ingrown hair भी देखने को मिलता है. अगर आप cost add up करें, then one waxing session every 2 weeks या cost of shaving every week multiplied for 12 months for the next 25-30 years बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Time लगता है, maintenance में you have to start all over again. एक भी सोल्यूशन ऐसा नहीं है जिससे हेयर ग्रोथ रिड्यूस हो रहा है, तो भी मोस्ट पीपल रिजॉर्ट टू दीज सॉल्यूशंस. साइंस हैज एडवांस्ड सो मच एंड देयर आर परमानेंट सॉल्यूशंस नाउ व्हिच आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट. So what is the long-term option? This is where dermatology offers something better, laser hair reduction. For several reasons, लोगों को इस पर भरोसा ही नहीं हो रहा है और कहीं ना कहीं लोग अनवांटेड हेयर की इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मानते भी नहीं हैं. बट इवन देन हर हफ्ते शेव या हर महीने वैक्स करते हैं. तो चलिए समझते हैं कि कैसे लेजर हेयर रिडक्शन इज एक्चुअली अ परमानेंट वे ऑफ गेटिंग रिड ऑफ अनवांटेड हेयर. थोड़ी और डिटेल में समझते हैं. लेजर लाइट मेलानिन पिगमेंट को एब्जॉर्ब करती है और हेयर फॉलिकल को हीट से डैमेज करती है. ये सराउंडिंग स्किन को बिल्कुल भी डैमेज नहीं करती. हर किसी के स्किन और हेयर टाइप के हिसाब से सेटिंग्स एडजस्ट की जा सकती हैं. यूजुअली 6 to 8 सेशंस चाहिए होते हैं and they should be spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. Maintenance sessions भी कुछ महीनों बाद ही हो सकते हैं. अब एक बात बहुत जरूरी है, ये परमानेंट हेयर रिमूवल नहीं है, बल्कि परमानेंट हेयर रिडक्शन है. यानी हेयर थिन या लाइट हो जाते हैं और रीग्रोथ काफी हद तक स्लो हो जाती है. मेंटेनेंस सेशंस may or may not be needed, but they might be needed just once or twice a year. Now, obviously, there's a lot of hesitation around this treatment. कुछ लोग तो इसे कैंसर एग्रीवेशन से भी रिलेट करते हैं. लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, व्हेन डन विद द राइट टेक्नोलॉजी and settings by a trained doctor, it is extremely safe. Mild redness, dryness, or tingling might happen temporarily a day into the session, but there's no downtime. And it works for both men and women. Now, some people tell you कि 6 to 8 laser sessions के बजाय 3 या 4 sessions में भी treatment हो सकता है. This might happen in people who have thicker hair. Thick बालों में ज़्यादा melanin pigment होता है, वो ज़्यादा energy absorb कर सकते हैं and जल्दी results दिखते हैं. However, in cases of PCOS, आपको 8 to 12 sessions भी लग सकते हैं. Also remember, this treatment must be done on black hair. It cannot be done on bleached or grey hair. Now let's discuss about post-laser hair reduction precautions. First, strict sun protection for at least 3 to 5 days. Second, No scrubbing or exfoliation for the next 3 to 5 days. Skip heat-based activities, that is, avoid hot showers, sauna, and steam for the next 24 to 48 hours. Moisturize generously using a soothing, non-comedogenic moisturizer at least 2 to 3 times a day to calm your skin and prevent dryness. No bleaching, waxing, or threading for the next 1 week. And avoid active ingredients and refrain from using products with retinoids, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, or benzoyl peroxide for the next 3 to 5 days. And most importantly, be regular with the sessions. Hair reduction is mostly a process of 6 to 8 sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. Make sure to follow the schedule for best results. So to sum it up, hair removal एक personal choice है. And if you're looking for something which is long-term, painless and more convenient, laser hair reduction could be the right option. And genuinely telling you, it is one of my favorite treatments. I would highly recommend it. बस याद रखें, it's not a one-time magic wand. It's a process and it works best when it is done right. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who's struggling with unwanted hair, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at Dr. Anupriya Goyal and at Virgo's Clinic. Till then, stay healthy and stay blue.